So as you can see here, we've got the LMT apart, and that is because the servo is broken, which I'll show you now. So obviously I've just put the servo horn on there, and if we push that way, it won't push, but if we push that way, you can hear it clicking. So it's clearly got some teeth missing. It's the standard servo from the LMT. And last time I put this GPM steering brace on here, and I don't know if you can see in there, but that is what's left of the original bolt, which has just sheared off basically. So you can see that's just sheared there. Didn't really crash or anything, it just happened over time and then it kind of just broke. So I've put a 50mm, and I've also put a nut on the bottom. So this is 10.9 grade steel, so it should be a bit stronger, but obviously I've had to move it over one hole. When I was in the field I did use this 25mm stainless steel bolt, but as you can see that is now bent, so that wasn't strong enough either. So yeah, hopefully this 50mm 10.9 grade steel bolt holds up. So as you can see here, I've got the servo apart. I can see one tooth missing on this main gear here, just there. Hold on. So yeah, there is one tooth missing on the main gear there, maybe two. But this shaft that goes from this centre gear into here is snapped. If you look at that, it's not straight, is it? So that shaft has snapped, so I don't know whether that's happened because of the teeth or whether the teeth have got destroyed because the shaft has snapped. So that's weird. Never seen that before.